Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. The practice of demolishing houses, particularly those allegedly linked to individuals accused of criminal activities, has become a contentious issue in India. Often referred to as bulldozer justice, this approach has sparked widespread debate and legal challenges. The Supreme Court of India, recognizing the gravity of the situation, has recently taken a firm stance on this issue. On Monday, the court underscored that demolishing a house cannot be justified merely because the occupant is accused of a crime, even if they have been convicted. This observation was made during a hearing of a petition challenging the use of bulldozers to demolish the properties of accused individuals in various cases. The court's decision to draft pan-India guidelines to address concerns related to the demolition of houses and buildings marks a crucial step towards ensuring that such actions are conducted within the framework of the law. The hearing, presided over by a bench consisting of Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan, led to the court's decision to draft pan-India guidelines aimed to addressing the concerns related to the demolition of houses and buildings. Justice Gavai remarked, and I quote, "How can a house be demolished just because someone is accused? It can't be demolished even if he is convicted." The petition was filed by Jamiyat Ulama-e-Hind, a body representing Muslim scholars, raising concerns about the demolition of homes in Delhi following the 2022 riots. Senior advocate Dushyant Dave, representing the petitioners, argued that several houses were demolished immediately after the riots based on allegations that the occupants had incited the violence. In another instance cited by senior advocate Chander Uday Singh, a house in Udaipur was demolished because the tenant's son was accused of a crime. Justice Vishwanathan highlighted that even if a father has a troublesome son, demolishing a house on this basis is not a proper course of action. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the central government, defended the demolitions, stating that they occur only in cases of violations of municipal laws. However, the bench expressed concerns, noting, though this is a position of law, it is being followed more in breach. Justice Vishwanathan further emphasized the need for clear guidelines on demolishing unauthorized buildings across the country. The court stated its intent to establish such guidelines on a pan-India basis, ensuring that demolitions of immovable properties follow due legal procedures. The Supreme Court's hearing on the matter will continue on September 17. This ruling and the proposed guidelines are expected to have a profound impact on how property demolitions are conducted across India, particularly in cases where the occupants are accused of criminal offences. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.